Hi friends, let us we discuss about the conductor, insulators and semiconductors and what are the behaviors and how they will be identified as for many times and how we identify those materials. Well, let us discuss about those. So first one is conductor. So friends, the conductor, the substance which can be easily allow the currents through them is called conductor. We already know, like example, metals, etc. are the some example, metals and iron and some materials of metals are example for the conductors, and so many materials are there. So first of all, we have to discuss about the conductors and how the conductor will be flows the current. So in this one, so we listen briefly here. So in this one, easily draw one L, and in this one we have two type of bands and two and another one is gap. The gap is nothing but forbidden band. So first one is conduction band. So this is CB, conduction band. And next one is valence band. So easily we tell as this is CB and another one is VB. So how this will, so this is the main concept this is the main one. So how it will be present in conductors and semiconductors and insulators, we have to discuss now. So in conductors, let we draw this one again. Briefly we have to discuss. So this is forbidden gap. Now we have to write here forbidden gap or band, as you are like, it will be gap here. So by increasing of gap, it will be considered as much and more gap will be there. So it is considered as insulators. So let us discuss about conductors. So this is gap now. So this is CB and this is VB. So the electrons of valence bond will be jump from VB to CB, that is conduction band. So in this process the electrons flow here, so the current will be flow, so the electrical will be flow. So if no jump of the electrons, there is no current and there is no specific direction of the electrons here. So let us discuss how it will be happening in conductors. Another one I have now, that is nothing but forbidden gap. So this is forbidden gap, but in conductors forbidden gap, so this CB is now here. Now this is the CB totally, and this is the VB from here total. It means these VB and CB are totally overlapped. So these VB and CB, so this is the VB and this is the CB conduction bands. So VB and CB are overlapped. This is overlapped. So this one overlapped now. So this is called as, these type of materials considered as conductor. It means the valence band electrons will be easily flows and jumps in the conductor bands because there is no forbidden gap here. So first of all, we have there is no forbidden gap. Easily we tell as forbidden gap is 0. Forbidden gap Fg is equals to 0 here. So next one, this is called conductor. So in this example we have to tell as like metals and iron, that is nothing but Fe, and etc. So many type of materials which are conductors we have already know in our surroundings. Next one, first one, conductors will be known as we have already discussed. Next one is insulators. So again we draw same figure, so like same one, but in this one there is no overlapping, large type of gap will be there here. So let us discuss. This is CB now, and this is VB, that is nothing but conduction band, valence band. We have already known that, but here there is no gap, there is so much of gap, that is forbidden gap. Gap will be there. So this forbidden gap will be classified into electrovolts. So this is electrovolts. Here also have some forbidden gap. So how much forbidden gap? If the material will be contain the more forbidden gap, these that substances are considered as insulators. So here nearly 15 electrovolts forbidden gap will be there. So those type of substances are considered as. So in this case there is no valence band electrons will be don't jump on the conduction band. So these type of substances there is no flow of current here. So no flow of current is no flow of current, so no flow electrons here. No flow electrons means these type of substances is not considered as insulator. Example, wood and paper, etc. We have already studied in our previous classes. And next one is the substances. The next substances is semiconductor. So next one is semiconductor. So let us draw these type of substances. Like first one, we draw this one again, and this is CB, conduction band, and this is VB, valence band, and this is FG, that is forbidden gap. So here FG, how much will be there? Means semiconductor. Here in this word will be had that semiconductor. Conductor means the flow of current very easily, but here the current flow, sometimes it flows and sometimes it can't, but it flows partially. So these type of substances is nothing but the semiconductors. So in these semiconductors we have the substances whose electrical conductivity lies between the conductor and insulator. Example, that is nothing but the forbidden gap. Fg is equals to 1 electrovolt or less than 1 electrovolt or something, not exactly 0, from 0 to 1 electrovolt or 2 electrovolt. Okay, these type of substance is called semiconductors. So this type of semiconductor example is nothing but silicon, germanium are the example for the semiconductors. So today our topic is this. So which type of substances will be flow the current and which type of substances will be can't flow the current is our topic.